Creating and using a system restore point in Windows 10 and 11 can help you revert your system to an early state if something goes wrong. So in this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide to create a system restore point. But before we dive into the video, if you are stopping by the channel for the first time, please consider subscribing to the channel, liking the video, and turning on the bell notification for more tech tips. I really appreciate your support. Now let's get started. So to create a system restore point in Windows 10 and 11, you need to watch this video to the end so that I don't miss any of the steps, okay? So to get started, I'm going to use my virtual machine for demonstration. So let me quickly open my virtual machine. And then to do that, you click on the search and then you type system. Okay, let me click on the search again. And then you type system restore, okay? So you see create a restore point. So I'm going to click on that. And by default, system restore is disabled, okay? So you have to turn it on before you can create a restore point. So to do that, you click on configure and then you click on turn on system protection, okay? And then you click on apply and then okay. So now we've turned on system protection, okay? So now we can create a system restore. So to create a system restore point, you have to click on the create. And now we are going to give a name for our restore point. So I'll name it before application softwares are installed. Okay, so before application softwares are installed. So it's better to create a system restore point on a clean OS operating system, okay? When you are done with the installation and everything is okay, then you create a system restore point before you install your applications on the OS, okay? So if anything goes wrong, you can revert to the time you install the operating system. So I'm going to click on create. Now it's creating a restore point, okay? Okay, so the restore point was created successfully. So I'll click on close and then I'll click on OK. So now we have a system restore point. So should anything go wrong with our operating system, we can restore to the time we installed the operating system, okay? And to do the system restore, you again go to the search and then you type system restore, okay? Then you click on create a restore point. So here we are going to restore to the time we created a restore point if something goes wrong, okay? So you click on system restore. So you see you can undo system changes by reverting your computer to a previous restore point. So we click on system restore. Then we click on next. And then this is the restore point we have, okay? You see the description, the name I gave to my restore point. Before application software are installed. Then you click on next. Then you click on finish. So once started, system restore cannot be interrupted. Do you want to continue? So when you start the restore or to restore your system, you cannot close it. So you have to wait for it to finish and then whatever you want to do with your operating system, then you can do, okay? So you click on yes. So now it's preparing to restore your system. So this is how to restore your system to a restore point you created if you have an issue with your operating system or your Windows, okay? So it's preparing to restore your system, okay? Okay, so it's done. So it's restarting my system, okay? After the restart, it will restore to the restore point you created, okay? So you see, say, please wait while your Windows files and settings are being restored. System restore is initializing, okay? So let's wait for it to restore to the system. So it's always good to create a restore point Even if Windows doesn't start or Windows is not starting, you can use the advanced mode to restore, to point to the restore point, and then you can restore to the time it was working. So you have to create a system restore point for your Windows operating system, okay? So it's restoring to my restore point. So now it's restarting and then everything will be set, okay? Okay, so it's done now. Let me quickly log in and then we see. So you see, this is how to create a system restore point and then how to restore to a system restore point, okay? And supposing your system is not starting at all, okay, you can boot into recovery mode and then you go to the advanced options and then you restore to your restore point, okay? So this brings us to the end of the video. Please, if you find value in this video, kindly support the channel by clicking on the subscribe button, liking the video, and turn on the bell notification for more tech tips. Thank you for watching and bye-bye.